No experience needed. Start earning fast in one of millions of entry-level warehouse positions available across the U.S. today. These core warehouse roles focus on order fulfillment. Workers select goods from shelves, pack them securely, and prepare them for delivery. The work is hands-on and perfect for beginners looking to enter the workforce quickly. New warehouse jobs. Workers hired in 2024 according to Bureau of Labor Statistics. Top employers: Amazon, Walmart, and Target lead warehouse hiring nationwide. The e-commerce boom continues to fuel unprecedented demand for warehouse workers. Major retailers: Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Best Buy constantly seek warehouse staff. Logistics companies: FedEx, UPS, and DHL hire year-round for distribution centers. Food distributors: Sysco, Kroger, and other grocers need pickers for food warehouses. Receive orders. Get pick lists digitally through scanners or on paper. Select items. Find and collect products from shelves based on specifications. Pack carefully. Secure items with protective materials and apply shipping labels. Update systems. Log completed orders in tracking software. Morning start. Receive pick lists, safety briefing, and gear up for the day. Active picking. Navigate warehouse floor selecting items from shelves efficiently. Packing process. Wrap, box, and label orders according to shipping requirements. End of shift. Clean work area, restock supplies, and prep for the next team. Physical setting. Mostly on feet, moving throughout shift with variable temperatures, cold storage, warm areas, in a busy, sometimes noisy environment. Equipment used. Daily use of scanners, handheld devices, packing tools, tape guns, box cutters, and carts for material handling. Schedule demands. Schedules often include overtime, weekends, and holidays during busy seasons. Day shift. Typically 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Evening shift. Usually 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 4 p.m. midnight. Overnight shift. Common hours 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. with shift differential pay. Weekend options. Many warehouses offer compressed schedules with weekends. Both part-time and full-time positions are widely available to fit your needs. Standing/walking, 85%. Most of your shift will be spent on your feet moving around the warehouse. Lifting, 65%. Regular lifting of items weighing between 10 to 50 pounds throughout the day. Bending/reaching, 50%. Frequent bending, stretching, and repetitive motions when picking items. Basic fitness and stamina are needed for success in these active roles. Attention to detail. Ensuring order accuracy is critical. Must be able to match product codes and quantities. Following instructions. Able to understand and execute written and verbal directions precisely. Basic math. Counting items, verifying quantities, and simple calculations are daily tasks. Safety focus. Maintaining awareness of surroundings and following safety protocols at all times. Most companies hire beginners and provide all necessary training right on site. Minimal requirements. High school diploma or GED, sometimes waived. Basic English reading and writing. Ability to pass background check. Training provided. On-the-job instruction for all equipment. Safety procedures and protocols. Picking and packing techniques. Search job boards. Check Indeed, Randstad, and company career pages for openings. Apply online. Complete simple application forms that focus on availability and basic qualifications. Quick response. Expect fast callbacks, often within days for interviews or offers. Highlight reliability and willingness to learn in your application. Emphasize physical readiness. Mention your stamina, ability to stand for long periods, and comfort with lifting. Include related experience. List any jobs involving physical work, organization, or attention to detail. Highlight soft skills. Stress reliability, punctuality, teamwork, and willingness to learn new systems. Keep your application concise, focus on attributes that match warehouse needs. Interview setting. Casual, often in warehouse office. Usually brief, 15 to 30 minutes. May include tour of facility. Common questions. Can you work on your feet all day? How do you handle repetitive tasks? Are you comfortable with lifting requirements? What's your availability for shifts? Physical assessments. Some employers conduct physical assessments or lifting tests during interviews to evaluate your readiness for the job. Day 1, Orientation. Safety procedures, warehouse layout, company policies, and equipment introduction. Days 2 to 3, Shadowing. Work alongside experienced pickers to learn techniques and warehouse navigation. Days 4 to 5, Supervised work. Begin independent picking with regular check-ins from trainers. Week 2, Full integration. Join regular workflow with productivity tracking and ongoing support. Warehouse picking and packing jobs offer competitive compensation with opportunities for advancement and various benefits. Competitive hourly pay. Entry-level positions start around $15.50 per hour, with experienced workers earning up to $18.75. Night shift workers typically earn $17.25, while team leads can make $22 hourly. Daily work benefits. Most positions include paid breaks and lunches, giving you time to rest and recharge during your shift without losing income. Health coverage. Health insurance is typically available after a 90-day probationary period, providing essential coverage for you and potentially your family. Employee discounts. Many retail companies offer substantial employee discounts on their products, helping your paycheck stretch even further. Maria's journey. Started at Amazon as an entry-level picker with no experience. Recognized for accuracy and efficiency after 3 months. Promoted to team lead within her first year after mastering multiple warehouse positions. John's path. Began at Walmart as a temporary holiday picker. Converted to full-time after demonstrating reliability. Now works as a logistics coordinator overseeing shipping operations after 18 months. Both started with zero warehouse experience and advanced through hard work. RF scanners. Handheld devices for tracking inventory and confirming picks. Packing supplies. Tape guns, box cutters, protective materials, and shipping labels. Material handling. Carts, pallet jacks, and sometimes motorized equipment for moving goods. Proper footwear. Steel-toed boots protect against falling objects and provide support during long shifts on concrete floors. Hand protection. Wear gloves when handling sharp items or rough materials to prevent cuts and abrasions. Lifting technique. Bend at knees, not waist. Keep back straight when lifting heavy items to prevent injuries. Stay alert. Be aware of forklifts, other workers, and potential hazards at all times in the busy warehouse environment. Report all accidents, near misses, and unsafe conditions immediately to supervisors. Challenge, repetitive tasks. Take micro breaks to stretch. Rotate between picking and packing. Use proper ergonomic techniques. Challenge, meeting quotas. Focus on accuracy first, speed will follow. Learn warehouse layout thoroughly. Use batching techniques for efficiency. Challenge, physical fatigue. Stay hydrated throughout shift. Wear supportive footwear. Ask for help with heavy items. Picker/packer. Entry-level position focused on fulfilling orders and preparing shipments. Inventory specialist. Manages inventory accuracy and performs regular audits. Team lead. Supervises daily operations and helps coordinate workflow. Shift supervisor. Oversees entire shifts and ensures productivity goals are met. Operations manager. Manages the overall warehouse function and strategic planning. Many companies promote from within. Additional certifications like forklift operation or inventory management software can accelerate advancement. Attendance, 98%. Showing up reliably every day is the top factor in retention and promotion. Accuracy, 95%. Error-free picking is valued over raw speed, especially for new hires. Teamwork, 90%. Willingness to help others and contribute to department goals. Managers track metrics but also notice attitude and work ethic every day. Stay physically prepared. Hydrate throughout your shift and stretch during breaks to prevent fatigue. Master the layout. Learn warehouse zones and product locations to minimize walking time. Double-check everything. Verify items against pick lists before packing to prevent costly errors. Pace yourself. Maintain consistent speed rather than sprinting and burning out. Quality-first approach. Accuracy matters more than raw speed, especially when starting out. One wrong item can cost more than a few extra seconds of verification. Use checklists for every order. Scan barcodes to confirm matches. Count items twice before packing. Building efficiency. Speed comes naturally with experience. Focus on developing consistent routines rather than rushing. Plan picking routes efficiently. Batch similar orders together. Organize packing station for flow. Anyone can do it. While entry-level, success requires reliability, attention to detail, and physical stamina. Performance matters greatly. Dead-end job. Many warehouses promote from within. Workers gain valuable logistics experience and skills for advancement. Just temporary work. Though temp positions exist, most major companies offer stable, long-term careers with benefits. Modern warehouses offer better conditions and technology than many expect. Peak hiring occurs during these key retail periods. Many permanent staff start as seasonal workers. Back-to-school season. Late summer hiring surge, July-August, as retailers prepare for school supply and clothing demand. Prime Day. Mid-year spike, June-July, for e-commerce warehouses during major online shopping events. Black Friday. November peak represents the highest demand for picking and packing staff across all industries. Holiday season. October-December remains consistently high for temporary roles, with many converting to permanent positions. Retail distribution. Pick clothing, electronics, and general merchandise. Temperature-controlled, clean environment. Grocery warehousing. Handle perishable goods in refrigerated areas. Requires faster turnaround and temperature awareness. E-commerce fulfillment. Wide variety of products and sizes. Fast-paced with direct-to-consumer shipping focus. Is overtime mandatory? Sometimes, especially during peak seasons. Most companies indicate overtime expectations during hiring. Is warehouse experience required? No. Most entry-level positions require no prior experience and provide complete training. How soon can I start? Often within a week of application. Many warehouses have immediate openings and quick onboarding. What about drug testing? Most major companies require pre-employment drug screening for safety-sensitive positions. Online job boards. Indeed.com, ZipRecruiter, and Monster list thousands of warehouse openings daily. Company career pages. Amazon.jobs, Walmart careers, and Target.com/careers list warehouse positions nationwide. Staffing agencies. Randstad, Adecco, and Kelly Services specialize in quick warehouse placements. Job fairs. Local warehouse job fairs often result in same-day interviews and quick offers. Apply today. Submit applications to 3 to 5 warehouse positions that match your availability. Prepare for quick hiring. Have ID, work eligibility documents, and references ready for fast onboarding. Start earning. Begin your warehouse career and gain valuable logistics experience. Grow your skills. Look for advancement opportunities as you master warehouse operations. No experience needed, jobs are often filled within days of posting. Start your logistics career today.